Hebei Chengda Huamo Technology Co. Limited upper filling port lower discharge port flange FRP water softener tanks. 30-63-inch FRP water softener tanks upper filling port lower discharge port flange. 4-inch flange. 70-80-inch FRP water softener tanks upper filling port lower discharge port flange. 6-inch flange. Upper filling port lower discharge port flange FRP water softener tanks. Working pressure is 150 psi and 100 psi. All tanks pass more than 100,000 fatigue tests, more than 4 times pressure burst test. Patented product. Positive and negative pressure valve design. It can prevent the formation of vacuum pressure in the tank's body, preventing canal damage caused by improper overpressure. Patented product. Upper filling port lower discharge port flange FRP water softener tanks equipped with aviation aluminum flange upper filling port, medicine hole, and lower discharge port. Aviation aluminum flange upper filling port can be filled without removing the valve and water distribute, or lower discharge port can discharge without dismantling the water distributor. The design makes filling and discharge more convenient and reduces damage to valves and water distributors. PE liner is integrally formed with the port. Rolling plastic is PE sanitary raw material, non-toxic, tasteful, more hygienic. All ports of the aviation aluminum flanges are made of a pre-buried process, with a sanitary PE liner, without any seams, not easy to produce leakage. Aviation aluminum flange. Adopting aviation aluminum modified materials can be applied to a variety of complex media. The environmental pressure is more stable, and the service life is longer. The surface of the opening is smooth flat HG. Each opening surface is machined, flat, smooth, no blisters and air bubbles, so as to ensure no leakage after installing the valve. Thickened seal blind board. Independently developed thickened seal blind plates are modified alloy ABS. Thickness is 25 mm, and the strength is more secure and more stable, good pressure, and low thermal deformation rate. Thickened sealing rubber ring. The thickened sealing rubber ring is made of EPDM material with the thickness of 8.4 mm, not easy to crack, corrosion, no deformation, sanitary. PE dust protection cap. The PE dust protection can ensure that the water tank body is not damaged during transportation or human handling, while it can prevent dust and bacteria from entering the tank, more hygienic and safer.